Yo guys, welcome to Crepflips. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video for the Nike Sacai Blazer Low in the white and sail colorway. I bought these in a UK size 10 for £113 from Nike Sneakers. If you do go on to enjoy the video, please leave a like, subscribe if you enjoy sneaker content, and let's get into the video. So, I've just finished unboxing the Sacai in the white colorway, the white and sail. I'm not a big fan of these. I picked up the black pattern leather as well. There's another unboxing video on the channel if you want to go check that out. These are not it. These aren't it. The white and sail I don't really think go together. And it looks quite tacky. Overall, I wouldn't recommend picking these up. They have a good price, but I would definitely recommend getting the black pair over these. I'm not a big fan of these at all. I'll be looking to sell these on. Currently, these aren't even looking like they're going for much over resale value. So if you bought these as an investment, sorry about that. These won't be staying much longer. I'll be sending them back or looking to resell them on, which is unfortunate due to the fact that I really do like the black pair. Like I said in the review last video, the black pair look very good. I'm going to be keeping wearing, especially in the summer. These aren't it. Overall, this shoe is very underwhelming. Lowish side of the retail release price. So if you did buy them, you like them, good for you. But personally, I wouldn't recommend them to a friend. I'm not going to be keeping them. My take on them is I think they are a 3 out of 10, maybe 2.5. So I'm really not a big fan of these. But let me know down in the comment section below what you think of these shoes. Let me know if you got a pair. If you did get a pair, are you going to be keeping them, or are you going to be sending them back or reselling them? Let me know down in the comments. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like. Subscribe if you're new, and if you haven't checked out the black version of these, there is a video on the channel where I unbox and give my review on those, and it is slightly different to these ones, so do check them out. And thanks again for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. See you later.